Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
The Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can.
So today is the Vlogmas day 22, which is crazy. Christmas is almost here. But yeah, my last Vlogmas video was a bit different, so it's been a while since I like picked up a camera and vlogged. But right now I'm actually heading to the grocery store because in some more not so great news, Ontario is going back into lockdown on the 26th. So a lot of people, I'm sure, are heading to the stores today and for the rest of the week to get what they need before we're back in lockdown, which I mean sucks for obvious reasons, but at least, you know, we're all being safe and healthy. So today I'm going to the grocery store to pick up some things. Luckily during lockdown the grocery stores are still going to be open, but I mean obviously you want to limit how many times you go. So I'm heading today just to stock up on some things, and then I think I kind of want to go on a walk. It's pretty cold outside, but I feel like getting some fresh air is always a good idea. And then I have to film another Vlogmas video that will be up before this one, so if it's up, I'll put it in the iCard and go check it out. So yeah, I'll just take you along for the next 2 days though. I need to go lotion my face because I'm getting ashy by the second, so I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna head to the grocery store. Make sure to wear your masks so we can get out of freaking lockdown. So I just finished filming my holiday transformation video and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be up before this vlog, so I will put a link in the iCard, so be sure to check it out. So I'm not really sure what else I'm gonna be doing. I think I'm just gonna like chill out for the rest of the day until it's time for me to work out and stretch and stuff like that, but I think tomorrow is probably gonna be more of an interesting vlog, so stay tuned for that. So if I don't see you for the rest of the day, I will see you guys tomorrow, but if not, then I'll see you guys later. So hello, today is Vlogmas day 23, so we're almost there. There's 2 more Vlogmases videos are going to be going up, so that's so exciting. But today I don't really have much planned. I used off from the clip before this, I uploaded my video, so that's scheduled to go up at 3:30. But yeah, other than that, I don't have much planned today. I do really want to chill and have like a Netflix kind of day, but before that I actually really want to go to the hair store. Like I mentioned in a previous video, Ontario is supposed to be going on lockdown on Saturday, which means nothing but essential businesses will be open for the next 28 days. So that means the hair store is gonna be closed. They do have curbside pickup, I believe, but I mean, just to eliminate the stress and eliminate me going outside so much, I really want to see what they have. I have mostly everything for my next protective style, but with the nature of COVID, I actually have no idea what is gonna be happening with this lockdown. So I don't know how long we're gonna be inside for, so I just want to be prepared. So I want to see if they have any more braiding hair in preparation for like another protective style, if that makes sense. So that's what we're gonna do today. The line's probably gonna be very long, but other than that, nothing. I might make some cookies later as well, just so that I can seriously chill. I know tomorrow we're gonna be big chilling, but yeah, and then I also need to edit this video. So yeah, that's today. So I'll see y'all when I get up to something. So I just came back from the hair store. I got what I needed, which is good. I didn't want to get too much because I don't want to be a product junkie. So I only got what I needed, hopefully. But yeah, right now my mom is in the dollar store. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for her. And I'm trying to clean my glasses. Side tangent, if anyone has glasses, you know the struggle. They are just so dirty and I can't see out of them, so yep. Okay, I'm home now. I ordered some food. I got Wendy's, so I'm gonna dig into this food, and I think I'm gonna watch The Crown. I know a lot of people have been talking about season 4, so I'm super late. I don't really watch shows, but that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna watch that. Yeah, have a good time.
So many of our brothers and sisters have given their lives in redouble our militancy.
Although it's been said many times, many ways,